In this tutorial, I will show you how to mix the clay. First, prepare your clay, your basic colors that you will be using, and then roll them through the pasta machine so that the thickness is consistent, that is the same for all of them. And put them on your glossy tile and roll it on so that it sticks to the tile. And this is my square cutter, and I'm putting it in cornstarch so that it doesn't stick into the clay. And now I'm making a little squares, and I will do that on all the clays that I need for this recipe. Here is how you roll it on the tile so that it sticks well. Okay, and now I'm going to read my recipe and just take as many of those little squares that I need for the color that I want. Okay, just a little bit of cleaning with my brush so that this cornstarch goes away. Just take the pieces that you need, put them together, and then we are going to roll them through the pasta machine quite a lot of times so that it mixes. Here I need half of yellow, and I'm going to need 1/4 of black, so I'm helping myself with the blade. And now I'm going to run it through the pasta machine quite a lot of times, and in the meantime you can see some beautiful colors so that you just want to make earrings right away or anything else. But you have to continue so that the color is solid and beautiful. Okay, and here it is. I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more tutorials from me, just check my Skillshare or Udemy or Etsy. You are really very welcome.